Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna talk about a new question today. Let's figure out first the question and let's think about what we can do for building the codes. Okay, so the question is asking for write a program that the user enter a string and replace all the space with asterisk. Okay, let's summarize. It looks like a little bit complicated question, so it's gonna be easy right after we simplifies the steps. The first thing, get string, and this second step is just to replace space with asterisk, right? And the third step is fifth char with replace with the fifth chart. Let me write like that. Fifth chart replace with the exclamation point, and the fourth is take 3 copies. Okay, so we have to follow the 4 steps, and let's start. We're gonna get input from the user, and we're gonna ask a user enter a string. Okay, and once the user enter a string, we need to replace the string with star. Okay, so as again string as replace, as just recall that replace can be used with string, and the space is gonna be replaced with asterisk. Okay, and right after that it says that please replace the fifth character starting with index 0 with exclamation point. Every fifth character has to replace with the exclamation point. This time we need to use for loop, right? Because for loop help us to repeat the process for I in range. So this time we need to measure the number of character in the string. That's why we're gonna use len, and the s is our character, is representing our string. Okay, so what it says that every fifth character, so we're gonna use if I divided by 5, what is the remaining is equal 0. If the remaining is equal 0, then we're gonna add exclamation point. But there should be another variable that hold what we created, right? There should be a starting point, so we can call them as t. So it is just empty string, and there is quotation mark we can create here. So when you are adding something new, when you are appending something from the string, then you need to create empty string first, because all the time if you are appending, if you are attaching a new string that you would like to create, then you need an empty string. Okay, so we're gonna add t plus exclamation point. So we ask for loop iterate the number of character in the string, and if each number can divide it by 5 and the remaining is 0, add exclamation mark. If it is divided by 5 but the result is not 0, then you need to write same thing, so the same string in the character in the string that we have created. So this is very important, as is our string here, but we are creating the numbers with len here, right? So the len is this time I is the number, because len is the number of character that we are giving the string, and it's measuring the number of character, and range giving the sequence to the number of character that we measure. Okay, and we're gonna return 3 copies based on the question. The fourth step is, so it is going to be t times 3. So we can print t. So as we remember that we have to use the print outside the for loop, because we want to get the print one time, not we don't want to repeat the process in a for loop. The output is just one time. Okay, that's why it should be outside the for loop, not inside the for loop. Okay, let's see what we have, and enter string. What we can say, hey, how everything goes. Okay, as you can see, the process has been applied what the string we gave here. So the first, the asterisk replace, and right then and after that exclamation mark has been replaced, and the string repeated 3 times. So you can multiply the string with the numbers. The result is gonna be string repetition, right? So let me show you a quick explanation here. So let's say t is hey, and t times 3 is gonna be hey hey hey. So you can multiply the string with the numbers, and the result is repetition for as much the number we gave. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, guys.